Hi, I'm Evelyn if you haven't been here before, and if you have, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a review of Public Goods 1 year later. If you haven't seen my first review, go ahead and check that out. That was my first thoughts on Public Goods before I really used them. So if you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link that here. If you haven't heard of Public Goods is a sustainable online brand with eco-friendly products as well as healthy ingredients. I absolutely love that they prioritize those things, and this is why I keep using them, and even a year later I still buy all of these things. This video is not sponsored, and some of these items were gifted to me, but I do buy Public Goods with my own money, and it is something that I commonly use in my household. So let's go ahead and get started with the products that I did receive, and let's unbox them together. One of the really cool things about Public Goods is that they use sustainable materials. Even for packaging, they do intentionally try to use less plastic, and everything that they do is thought out fully to make sure that they're thinking about the planet, which is really cool. So let's unbox these little thingy things. One of my favorite things about Public Goods that I still haven't changed my mind on is these freaking candles. Their candles and essential oils smell so good. This one is Cedar and Suede. They're so cozy, they smell so good, and the cool thing is that their packaging is all beautiful. Everything that they have on their website is aesthetically pleasing, and for me that is a plus. And I can always reuse these little glass jars for things later on, which I have in the past. If I make a lotion, if I do a DIY, I don't know, thing, I can use these little glass bottles later. So definitely love their candles. The next thing that I got was these dishwasher detergent pods. This is something I haven't used before, so I'm really excited to try to see if these are great or not. I have been using a lot of Mrs. Meyer's things in the past, and I just never thought to really use them. So I'm excited to try these out. I also received these surface cleaner refill packages, which are really, really cute and convenient. If you don't know what these are refills for their cleaning products on their website, which they have bathroom cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and glass cleaner. And instead of rebuying the bottles, you can go ahead and just use these to refill, and you fill it up with water. So that's really cool and convenient. It saves a lot of plastic since their bottles are made out of plastic, so it's cool to know that you don't have to keep buying that. You can just go ahead and do this, and this is cheaper as well. Let's see, what else did I get? Honestly, I have no idea what I got. It's been a while since I bought this, and I was not unpackaging it because I was waiting for this video. So, really excited. This is the Everything Bagel Seasoning. Absolutely am so excited to try this out. I've never tried the seasoning, and I know, hard to believe, everyone uses it, but I've never used it. And so it's my first time using it, and my first time using it from Public Goods, obviously. So I'm really excited for this. Oh yes, I feel like I should have opened this one sooner, but Almond Butter. Absolutely love their Almond Butter. Last time I bought this, it was plastic, and now it's a glass jar. So exciting. I did love it the first time I tried it, and I'm so much more excited now that it's a glass jar that I can reuse later. Let's see. Their kitchen towels I have not used before. It is made out of 100% cotton. Super, super cute, and I cannot wait to use that. I also got this razor package, which is just like a razor refill for their razor blade, or a razor, I don't know what it's called. I guess these are the blades, and I have the razor, and they're just refillables, and it comes in a pack of 4 for $1, which is amazing. This is something new that they just came up with that I got as well, and it's their CBD oil. Let me just say, I absolutely love their CBD oil. This one is a 30 count soft gels. I'll go ahead and show you because I'm a huge fan of this. They're really cute little pellet thingies, whatever. I will just say that I have used other CBDs before, and not a lot of them have worked, and Public Goods is the first one that I can actually tell a huge difference in my physical anxiety when I take one of these. And so I absolutely love these. Obviously CBD is expensive in general, but theirs is $70 for a 30 count, and I think it's worth that investment because for my mental health especially, it's amazing, and I don't need it every day, so this will last me a long time. So definitely recommend that. And one of their newest things that they have just launched, which is really exciting, is Glassware. So freaking beautiful. This is their, I forgot what bowl. I think it's their I don't know what it's called. There's 2 different bowls. This is their bigger one. And I love the size. Like, the size is perfect. You can have salads and pastas, and I feel so luxurious using them. I'm not even gonna lie. And it comes in a pack of 4. I'm just showing you one. And these glasses that I also got in a pack of 4, and I actually think I'm gonna end up buying like the whole collection at some point, but so freaking beautiful. I honestly think that's it for my unboxing. So let me get started with my honest review and thoughts of things that I still use from Public Goods. A lot of the things that I still use is all like house products and cleaning products and bathroom products. So I still use their conditioner and shampoo. I use their soaps. I use their all-purpose cleaner. All my household items I typically get from Public Goods because they make it really convenient and it's really affordable. So all I really have to do is get everything online and it comes to me. It's fast shipping and it's free after a certain amount, which I always hit. So it's pretty amazing and convenient, and I like that they provide a lot of things in bulk. So I'm going to show you why I love their conditioner and shampoo. They allow you to have the option for bulk. So you get this whole thing of shampoo, 34 ounces, and conditioner, which is amazing because you don't even have to get their original shampoo bottle and conditioner. You can just have your own glass bottle and refill it with this, and that's amazing. They smell good. They are made with clean products. I've never had any issues in my hair, and I have been using it for a whole year now with no issues. I love their lotions, their moisturizers. Everything smells like essential oils, and it makes me so happy. I do like to keep my house clean, in the sense of using healthy products that make me comfortable, and I trust that Public Goods has clean ingredients. As you can tell on the back of all of their products, they list their ingredients clear and bluntly. There's nothing that they're hiding. Everything is good. It's paraben free, vegan friendly, sulfate free, gluten free, natural fragrance, and cruelty free. So for me to spend my money on something, I like to know that it's going to something that is being sustainable, and I love that Public Goods values that. And they also have a blog that informs people on, you know, what they're using, why they use it, eco-friendly blog posts, and I just love what they're doing in general, so I love supporting them as a brand. Okay, so the things that I don't necessarily buy anymore is their food, and not because I don't like it. I loved everything that I've tried so far. As you can see, like, I still have their almond butter and little things here and there that I'll get if I'm trying to like get the shipping for free or something, so I'll include it in there. I do love their food, and everything that I've tried so far is great. But for me, because just where I am with the things that I prioritize in my life right now, like food costs, I would just rather get things at Walmart for cheaper, even if they're not the best ingredients. I know that eventually that's gonna change, and I'm gonna wanna like include more healthier ingredients and foods, especially when I have more money to do so. And at that point, I definitely think that I would buy more things from Public Goods because everything is healthy and it is affordable for healthy ingredients. So that's something that I just don't currently buy for myself. And another reason that I absolutely love Public Goods and I continue using them is because they're continuously growing. They're always including new products. Like currently they just included a whole new pets line. So it's like healthy ingredients for your pet food. And they're obviously always continuously growing with things like even just like the dinner bowls that I showed you. So they're always evolving. So there's always more things being included into their website, which is awesome. And I love that because that means at some point you can pretty much get anything from Public Goods. And to me, that is so convenient, and it's amazing that you're getting so many like good things from them, like good ingredients, good prices, it's sustainable, and it's convenient. So far, I absolutely love Public Goods. I don't know if this video really helped so much. These are just my honest thoughts and opinions. I want to make another one of these because I know that a lot of people have been asking me to make this video. So if you have specific questions on specific products, please leave a comment below because I would love to answer them and give you my honest review. I know when it comes to buying things, I personally don't like to spend money unless I know more information about a company and a brand. And so I want to make this review and more reviews to help people. Like if you're going to invest in something, obviously you're going to want to know what you're investing in. So definitely leave comments below, and I'm going to leave my discount code below as well And I think I have another link where it's my storefront where you can see all of my favorite items as well as like what I continue to use. So that will make it easier if you're interested in seeing like what I still use. So that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful and you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.